हाय विवेक, वेलकम टू सिने स्पीक्स। मेरा नाम है ऐश्वर्या। तो सबसे पहले कंग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन गेटिंग दिस न्यू फिल्म पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी।
Thank you, Aishwarya. कैसी हैं आप? I hope you and everybody at the CineSpeaks office is healthy, is well, and I hope all your आपके जितने followers and subscribers हैं जो CineSpeaks देखते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, I hope they're also doing well.
Yes, we all are good. Hope you are doing the same.
Thank you. Thank you.
सबसे पहले I wanted to know क्या reaction था when you got the script of this film and how did you go about it?
You know, Aishwarya, even before I got the script, because we worked on the script a lot together, me, the writer, the director, producers, all of us it was a big teamwork. So even before I got it, just when I was offered this role and, literally like in a minute, under a minute, and I had a thought, I was like, oh my God, बहुत बड़ी हस्ती हैं, such a big role, such a phenomenal character, but the role also, the story, if we forget about Modi ji for a second, and if we just look at about as a boy who grew up on a railway platform in poverty, and his mother used to have to clean other people's dishes in other people's houses to make him where he has reached from that journey and becoming the prime minister and one of the greatest leaders of the free world today. That journey itself was spectacular. तो मैंने एक मिनट के अंदर अंदर, हालांकि दिल धड़क रहा था कि इतना बड़ा रोल, इतना बड़ा किरदार, इतनी बड़ी हस्ती को मैं ठीक से निभा पाऊंगा, नहीं निभा पाऊंगा, इतने एड्यूलेशन है, लोग पूछते हैं, people are devoted to him. So to live up to that was a very daunting task as an actor, but also a great challenge, and I enjoy challenges. And I think in less than 1 minute, I said, I'm doing it. कुछ नहीं पूछा कौन कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. Even director was not fixed at that time. I just said, I'm doing it. So really enjoyed that.
Great, amazing. तो कितना डिफिकल्ट था आपके लिए या कितना इजी था टू गेट इनटू दिस रोल और दिस कैरेक्टर?
Difficult or easy नहीं था. I think it was challenging. To me, it was challenging, and I really enjoyed that challenge. जब भी मैं कोई रोल करता हूँ, चाहे वो जब मैं कंपनी में एक गैंगस्टर का रोल प्ले कर रहा था, तो I actually went and lived in a slum. I spent time there to try and understand कि लोग वहाँ कैसे जीते हैं, कैसे रहते हैं, और उसको कॉपी करने की कोशिश की. When I played in Kal in Krish 3, at that time I used to roam around in a wheelchair throughout the house because वो constantly उसी में रहता था and सिर्फ सर हिलता था, तो I was only doing this and talking to everybody in my house also like this only. तो इस तरह का पागल तो मैं हूँ ही. With Narendra Bhai's character, for me, imbibing it was very difficult because it was generations, right? It was very challenging because it was generations. It was what was he like in his 30s, 40s, 20s, 60s. So for me, that journey was the biggest challenge to encapsulate: the change in body language, the power in the eyes, the energy, the spirituality with which he approaches things. So for that, I think must have seen more than 300 hours of different interviews. उनके पुराने इंटरव्यूज, और बहुत कम जो रिसर्च टीम निकाल के रखती थी, जो पुरानी इंटरव्यूज उनके यूथ की अवेलेबल होती थी. So we used to see that, how he says certain words. We try to get that pronunciation of those words that way. The rhythm in which he speaks, वो भी करने की कोशिश की. So we practiced a lot. I think I must have taken about 3 to 4 months for preparation.
Wow.
And then the transformation was very difficult. Yeah, because every time,
मुझे पहले when I saw the trailer, I was like, कौन से, मतलब how come it's possible that this is Vivek? Then I zoomed in and I saw, yes, this is you. Okay, amazing.
Thank you. I can't tell you how happy that makes me feel, you saying that, क्योंकि 6-7 घंटे लगते थे. Aishwarya, I had to sit 6 or 7 hours, and everybody used to be doing the transformation. मतलब ऐसे literally like in a dentist chair, you have to lie down backwards like this, and then they have to work on the prosthetics, fill up everything, and then फिर prosthetic पे दाढ़ी लगती थी, फिर वो अलग-अलग ages के हिसाब से wigs लगते थे. So that whole process used to be, and एक बार उस कुर्सी में बैठ गए, you can't get up, you can't drink water, you can't eat food, you can't even get up to use the washroom. 6-7 घंटे ऐसे ही बैठने पड़ता था. I used to wake up at like 2-3 in the morning, and I used to be in that chair by about 3:34, so that by say 9 o'clock we can start shooting.
Okay. Wow. So मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा कि 9 looks हैं. So it's like you
Correct.
went through all the 9 looks.
Correct. Yeah.
To come
Yeah.
with the character. Okay, amazing. And how was your overall experience, you know, with the director, with the cast and crew? How
It was
easy going was it?
it was amazing. You know, we were like a family, all of us. I've known
Mhm.
Umang, I've known Sandeep, Sunita. I was working with for the first time, the DOP. But I've known everybody for a long time. Even Anirudh, the writer, I've known him for a long time. So it was like all of us coming together as a family, and the cast was also amazing. The crew was also amazing. Everybody in it was. It was a lot of fun to work together, and it was a journey. It was a tough journey because in a very short window of time we had to shoot a lot, we had to travel a lot, very challenging shoot, but some teamwork makes the dream work.
Correct, correct. And where can the audience see this beautiful film coming in, and on which
Firstly,
day?
thank you for calling it a beautiful film, and I'm sure a lot of people will resonate with you on that. It is a made from the heart. We're very excited that it's coming on MX Player on the 23rd of September. It's absolutely free to watch, and I'm so excited that
Wow.
crores and crores of people are going to be able to see this this
Mhm.
dream of ours and appreciate it.
Amazing. Okay. And you know, generally आप किस तरह के you know films, आपने बहुत सारे types के films किए हैं, तो फिर किस तरह से आप approach करते हैं जब आपको कोई भी script मिलता है? How do you decide that you want to work in this film?
So I think I've done more than 50 films in 7 languages. So for me, each one is how exciting it is, how much fun it is, what the role does for me. Because in my earlier days, there were times where I would choose films even for the wrong reasons. Right? Sometimes the motivation would be money, or sometimes you would just say yes because it was a great production house. But now for me, films and acting is more of pursuing my passion rather than doing it for money. By the grace of God, I'm very well settled. I have been very successful in multiple businesses that I do. I have a global business set up now and do very well with that. God is kind. So now my focus is never the money aspect of it. So what's remaining is only the love, the passion for the role, the cinema, the character, the challenge that it is. So I enjoy that now.
And who has been your inspiration in these years? Is there anyone who you follow or you get inspired by?
Aishwarya, I've had this habit of trying to be inspired by everybody, because I feel that life is not about just, when you look at a mountain, right? You don't only look at the summit, you don't only look at the peak. There is a base that allows the peak to be at the top. So I believe that not just people who are leaders who inspire, of course they inspire, but sometimes, like, I'm on a set, and even during the making of PM Narendra Modi, the film, I've had, young ADs who would come up to me, maybe their first film or second film, would come up to me and said, "Sir, this particular word you said, Modi ji actually says it like this." And they'll, play it back and they'll make me hear it. And I'll say, "Yeah, thank you so much. I learned this from you. You added to my role, you added to my character." So that teamwork comes by being inspired by receiving from everybody.
Correct. Amazing. Okay. So thank you so much for the wonderful interview. It was great speaking to you and knowing about your new character. And so all the best. Hope to see you in more films next. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.